Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to get your Discord Pro like Discord Nitro with a credit card, but with a virtual credit card, because as you probably know, if you're trying to subscribe here, there you're going to select a plan. Let's go with the Nitro Basic. Now in order to pay, if I go to select, I'm gonna be able to pay with a card, with PayPal, or perhaps how to fill from browser if you had another option. But the most common method is with your credit card. And obviously this is going to ask you for your expiration date. I mean the info, the data inside your credit card, okay? So what you must do is go to your web browser. There are different web pages that are going to allow you to, I don't know, like create a virtual credit card. It depends also on the country that you are. So by now I have two options that I want to share with you. The first of this is Skrill. What you must do is to register here. You have different options, obviously, to create an account from zero. So here you have to fill the data, your first name, your last name, country, currency, etc. And when you have registered inside Skrill, you're going to be able to create your virtual credit card. Once you have that, here, when you must to subscribe into it, you're going to be able to fill all this blank in your Discord, okay? And the other option is Pay, is almost the same, so you can pay and withdraw fast and easy. So you can start also. This is, I guess, available also in the Google Play Store. And here it is the same. For instance, this with Pay, I must to write my phone number and to continue with the process. And once I have registered inside Pay, I'm gonna be able to create a virtual credit card. Don't forget that sometimes if you want to create that virtual credit card, that's gonna have a cost, okay? For instance, here in my country, I have to pay like around $1 if I want to obtain that credit card. And that's just gonna be virtual, so you're not gonna have it physical. So that's just to buy some stuff on internet, okay? In that way, you're gonna be able to feel that, and that's it. You are going to get your Nitro Pro on Discord with a virtual credit card.